Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make access grid by using my developed program in an extremely easy way. This is a grid that we want to make in AutoCAD, ranging from XA to XI and from X1 to X9. In the AutoCAD here, I'm gonna type in command bar AX, enter X-axis spacing in meters. This is a spacing in X-axis, okay, and I will follow it by comma. Type here 6.15, comma, 4.4, comma, 2.35, comma, 1.35, comma, 3.05, comma, 0.8, comma, 4.05, comma, 4.85, comma, and this is the last one. Enter Y spacing. Here this is Y spacing in meters, 5.8, comma, 5, comma, 0.9, 4.25, 1.725, 2.3, 1.525, 5.5. Quick insertion point. I'm gonna insert it here, and here, as you see, it typed automatically. Let's have a look. The last X is 1, and the last X is I, the last X is I, and the last X from 1 to 9, and here also from 1 to 9, according to the dimension between every X and also the total dimension, as you see here, and everything is on its layer, axis dimension, and that's it. Thank you for watching.